loves, and it's time for another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is a show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today we've got one from Indonesia. This is me Sedaap with their Singapore-style spicy laksa, and that's what we be doing. Today on the show, oh boy. Hope everyone's doing well in their respectable zones of being. Alright, so we have powder base, creamer, and spicy. Okay, we're gonna dump that in the pot. And we're gonna let it go for 3 minutes. So how the heck are you? I'm really excited. It's my birthday. Makes me feel like when I say that, like I'm saying it's Captain Picard Day. Yeah. Oh, I've got some mint to go with this. I wanted to get a mint plant to bring home yesterday, but it's just too early in the season, I guess, for mint plants. So I have to resort to using the mint that I can get at the grocery store, and it is sad, folks. It's all bent up. I've harped on the quality of the produce at the local grocery store many a time, and I will continue to do so. I had to like dig back behind because the mint comes in this little package, and what sucks about it is that they've got them sticking out the front, and that's where they have the what do you call it, the little spray, you know, where they spray the vegetables so you don't get Legionnaire's disease. Yeah, that's what that's about. Anyways, they're sprayer things, and those boxes are not completely sealed. I mean, you can get liquid into them. So I always have to grab the first 3 out of the front, and then I like stow them somewhere else, and then I grab the next one. But they're also spring-loaded, so it pushes them to the front. So the next 3 are going to get all wet. So, but that's their problem. I don't want to, A, have wet mint, and B, I don't want to get Legionnaire's disease. I don't know what that entails. Does anybody know what happens if you get Legionnaire's disease? I don't think it's a good thing. That's my take on it. You don't want that. Generally, if something says has disease in the title of something, you don't want the disease. I think that's a safe axiom. Well, somebody's sending me messages. Yeah. And I am righteously caffeinated right now, so I am like super ready to get out on the open road and burn off some of this caffeine. It's the only real combat for it's like if I do a lot of caffeine, I better get out and start walking. Use it up. Because if you sit after having lots of caffeine, it doesn't work out so well. At least that's my thought on the matter. Okay, so I'm excited. Oh no, look! There's a sachet in here. Wow, I did not notice that. Okay, you cool down for a second. Well, we're gonna put these in here. So at this point, I don't know if that creamer sachet is indeed coconut milk powder or just non-dairy creamer. It is very common to have non-dairy creamer in instant noodles that come from Southeast Asia. Just adds a milky look and a little bit of tension to it, I think. Okay. There's our creamer. Yeah, that's creamer. If it were coconut milk powder, I would notice right away. Here, let's get a better shot of that for you. That's more like it. So there's 2 sachets of pepper powder. So let's add in pepper powder sachet 1 first. And then we have sachet pepper powder. Oh, there we go. So there's both of them. I think one's like, if you're crazy. Number 2 is if you're like super crazy. I think that's the idea. And then here's the oil. See what I'm doing there? It sucks liquid into the sachet and kind of washes it out to some degree. It's better than just like trying to squeeze it out. Let's give it a real thorough stir in there. Oh my god, one of the Tamagotchis got brought back to life. My daughter was complaining this morning, I just don't have time for all my Tamagotchis, Papa. I'm like, just let them die. It's alright. They are not real. You know that. So, let's see. Okay, I think we're good on this. Smells good. I had a white curry Sedaap that Ferengi sent recently. Thank you again. And that one was very sweet. It was an Indonesian version of Malaysian white curry. This is an Indonesian take on Singaporean laksa. So, Noodle's great. That broth. Look at that. Oily. Huh. It's like it needs salt. That's kind of weird. I did not expect that. It's just a little, it's missing some umami quality, I think. It's good. I will say that much. It is good. How's that? That's crummy. Here. Let's go like that. Okay. Okay. But it's a lovely looking broth. Look at that. Okay. Okie dokie, mint at the end. So let's do our egg first. Let's find a nice place for egg. Come on, it's my birthday. Be nice. I think I kind of want you over here more anyways. Ah. The one that I wanted to have work out the best is the one that's not working out at all. Come on, get freaking back here. Okay, that's better. I can live with that. Actually, I want you guys more that way. This part right here on this bowl irks me. I love this bowl. I hate that aspect of it. Here's some mung bean sprout. What else was I putting here? Fish ball. And let's give that a little bit of color. All the oil seems to have gone over on this side, so we will kind of do that. Bummed. I had 3 nice little peppers all set up, but one of them went down the drain, so these guys can hang out there. Is that all I got? Yeah. I've got my mint, so let's do some sesame seeds. Look at the color of that broth. Holy cow. So super spicy. It doesn't say super, it just says spicy. To be quite honest, I'm not finding an extreme level of spiciness by any stretch of the imagination on this, which is really kind of surprising as it hails from Indonesia. I really expected this to be freaking hot, but it is not. Yeah. All right, Rotato. I don't like how lack of angular these guys are, so you guys are coming down this way. That's a little better. There you go. Watch it. One moment. Keep watching it rotate. Well, thank you very much for watching and joining me for my birthday episodes of this show. And yeah, cool. This has been Hans the Ramen Rater wishing you enjoyment of instant noodles each and every day. Well, go out in the sun. Have a good one. Bye-bye.